Hello, guys. This video will show you how to cancel fulfillment of orders in your store. From your WooCommerce dashboard, hover over WooCommerce and access the Orders page. Let's learn how to cancel fulfillment of an order. Click on the order for which you want to cancel fulfillment. On the Edit Order page, expand the Status drop-down list and select Processing. Click on Update in the Order Actions section. You can also cancel fulfillment of orders in bulk. Still on the Order page, select the checkboxes for orders for which you want to cancel fulfillment. Click on Bulk Actions. Select Change Status to Processing and click on Apply. Now, these orders are marked as processing on WooCommerce. You will see these orders are also moved to the Awaiting Order tab on the DSers Open Orders page. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!